Hi leaders, I'm going to show you how to log in to take your MAP test. So here, the first thing that you're going to do when you get to the website is to type in your session name. If I'm in Miss Gordon's class and I'm taking the reading test, I'm going to type Gordon with a capital G space capital ELA. And then the second step is to type your session password here. It will be a 4-digit number, and your teacher will tell you what the password is. Then you click this blue arrow. Next, you will see a drop-down box here, this tiny little arrow. You'll click there, and then you will scroll down and select your name from the list. If you don't see your name, tell your teacher. Second, you really don't have to do anything. There's only one test and it's already loaded for you. If this box is blank, just click this arrow and then click the name of the test. Third, click the blue arrow to go to the next step. You will see this screen next. It will say your name, it will say your session name, and it will say which grade you're in. If all of this information is correct and you see your name, not the words your name, but your actual name, like Mrs. Price or Mrs. Gordon or Sally Smith, then if all that information is correct, you click the button that says yes and go to the next screen. Now this screen says please wait for the proctor to confirm your information. When you see this page, that means that you are ready. So you just need to tell your teacher that you are ready to begin, and your teacher will turn your test on. When you're at this page, all you have to do is wait patiently for your teacher to turn the test on. You don't need to click anything. After your teacher confirms your test and turns it on, then you will see this blue arrow, and that means that you are ready to begin. So all you have to do is click the blue arrow and then the test will begin. Remember, this test is to help the teachers know what they need to teach you. Okay, so we want you to try your very best, but if you don't know the answer to the questions, it's okay, because you haven't learned everything that you're going to learn this year. So just take your time and do your best and don't stress.